Hello everyone, this is Juan Sarmiento and today is Wednesday, December the 4th. Here are the two trades that I placed yesterday. They got both filled. GRMN or Gramin, I believe. Let's analyze that. And it looks like we have done $56 in profit so far. Let me just, actually it should be deleted here. Reset. Yeah, $28, half of it, because I was putting two of them. Okay, so we are right here. Let me just open up so you see better that it has moved just a little bit, enough to give me $28 in profits so far. The other is XLV. And this went the other way. $22 loss. So compensate, I guess. All right, let's go to the monitor tab, account statement, and see Valero, $24. I think I said yesterday I considered getting out and then left it for today. So Valero is one that I will look at. FANG, also good profit so far today. And Boeing, BA. Okay, let's start with VLO. Take a quick look at the chart. Okay, I don't really have a buy signal, but I'm not gonna wait for that. I'm thinking of getting out of this trade, paying 32 cents. And if you see, if I say hide positions, I'd have my entry and my exit. If I were to exit today, my profit will be $234. I'm happy with that, considering that there are 24 days to go. I don't think you want to sit here and wait until the market goes back up to its previous high. It could happen, you know. So I look at my Ichimoku cloud and it's testing that. Just so for your knowledge that I use the Ichimoku cloud as a point of resistance and support. Okay, let's do that. Confirm and set. Then I'm going to look at FANG, FANG. And this is a diagonal, very nice. That's what you hope for in a diagonal. Nice jump, and I think with that jump, implied volatility has come down. Let's look for implied volatility here. Yeah, there's the implied volatility. No, it hasn't come down much, but just enough. I think I'm going to leave that because it looks quite bullish, and if it continues to go higher, I would get a little more profit. You can always transform this into a vertical. That's another action you can take, but right now I don't feel the urge to do that. And then we have BA, Boeing, and now you see it's below the Ichimoku cloud, so there's no support there, so it should continue down, I guess. Let's look at the monitor account statement. Boeing, we are here. We already have more than 50% in profit, so you can actually look at this and say, well, look, it looks like 50% or more, so that's a good point to consider whether you should get out or not. And so let's say analyze the opposite. if I were to close that, this is what we will get, $148 of a potential 295, so more than half, okay. Slightly more than half. So I'm going to hold this a couple of days because I think this is a very bearish candlestick here and it's fallen below the Ichimoku cloud, and my oscillators are still pointing downward, so I'm gonna stay with that. Okay, for today I have two trades to enter. UNG, this is natural gas, United States natural gas. If you take a look at the Analyze tab and go to fundamentals, you would know whether it's an actual company or an index. And it says United States Natural Gas Fund. Okay, so it is a fund. It says limited partnership. Company is a commodity pool that issues limited partnership interest shares traded at the New York Stock Exchange. So it's not exactly a ETF. Not sure. But it reflects the natural gas prices, and it looks to me that it's going to bounce back at least to the Ichimoku cloud, and I'm gonna trade that. And here's my trade, and 94 cents. This is a debit spread. My strikes are 17 and 19, and the stock is trading at 1847 right here, as you can see. And yeah, I'm risking $282 to make $318. That's always good when you have more potential money to be made. I would explain why that happens, but let's just say I would explain that in the course. Why would you have such disparity between what you're paying and what your potential gain is? You want to always look for those that give you the highest probability of success, and I would show you why that happens and how to pick that in the course. So let's create the trade for 282. And we have PSX, and this is a bearish trade. Boston Scientific. Okay, I believe this stock looks bearish, and here again we have 270 to make 330, so that's very favorable. And it's a 44.42, while the stock is between those two prices, 43, and my strike price are 44 and 42. I'm investing $270 to make 330, and send that off. And that's about it for today. Okay, so don't forget to let me know whether you would be interested in the course or not. I know my friend Monday is, but I need more people involved. So let me know if you're interested in the course. Thank you very much for joining me, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.
For this video. Please be sure to subscribe to this channel by clicking on the subscribe button below. Once you have done that, be sure to also click on the bell so you get a notification of future videos coming up in this channel. Be sure also to click like if you enjoyed this video, and feel free to share it with your friends and family. Thank you very much. Don't forget to visit www.PutCallGenie.com. Then go and subscribe. You could simply subscribe as a visitor. It is free, and you would have access to several videos of interest for traders. You would be directed to this registration page. It is free. Once you have subscribed as a visitor, feel free to go to the tutorials and select the free videos. These are videos of general interest for all traders. Thank you very much.